Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to the square root. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about 2s squared plus 1. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of u squared, you got about 2u du. First the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First the derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0, and we have the s, and this one you got about 4s. This one we change by u. For s, the s we change by 2u du. U divided by u, you got about number 1. The integration of the u, we have u. C, that's about the constant. About u, that's about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.